What's up, you guys? Today we were playing the Sandbox, and finally there's a gaming video. And the first time in forever. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's kill some people. Or that's kind of what you do. I'm gonna start a mission. In every episode, I'm gonna try to do a mission. What's happening? Oh dear. Are you kidding me? Technical difficulties, dude. Okay, I'm back. Let me turn this down. So I'm gonna play your levels. And if you play them, if you want to send me a message that I can search up right here, then feel free to leave that in the comments. Let's just keep on going this way. Maze. Alright. So first off, I'm doing a maze. This is the first video I've done with this, so I hope you enjoy. Get this key. Oh, this is easy. No, wrong way. Can I go here? Oh! Oh! That's easy. Can't get up here. Oh, Smeagol. Oh. Can't jump. Can't make this on. Oh! Which way do I go? This way? Maybe there's a hoop around here? Oh, no. Oh, if you're wondering what the game is called, it's called the Sandbox. It's a really fun game. You could create your own levels, and as soon as I make one, I'll leave that in the description of one of my videos, and you could beat my map. Some worlds. Okay, new. War. Play. I'm playing this match called War. You guys want to play it? Okay. Oh god. Oh, it's a boss fight. It was a boss fight. It was a boss fight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a lot of loot from that. Oh, lag. Oh, I'm finished. Okay, that was fit fast too. So I'm doing another one. It's the last one though. I'll do this one. Play. Oh god, another boss fight. Oh dang, I died already. What? What? I can't complete this. Oh. What? How did that happen? No! What? Okay, sorry this is such a short video for today, guys. But it's a first video, so you probably expect that. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!
I'll get you.
Who?